7433 Barranca Peak Court. On the end of a cul-de-sac here, no parking here, and a short driveway. No wood frame to maintain, that's nice. We have the correct blinds from what I've seen so far. Tile looks good. I couldn't get these lights to turn on, sorry. From what I've seen so far, the paint looks good. It's not the best tile job, if you can tell, but I don't think that would matter. We'll see what Jenny says. This looks like some sort of stain on the cabinets, meaning it was stained. Couple slats missing. Maybe get some rock and a patio paver installed back here. This bathroom light is on a timer. Coat closet right off of the garage. Carpet looks fine. There's some wear and tear, but yeah. Probably not enough to have it redone. Nice loft area up here. A separate laundry room, so you don't have to walk through it. Is nice. This is a bathroom that is shared by 2 bedrooms. So it's nice that the sink is separate from the toilet and shower area. This bathtub requires no grout, so it's pretty minimal maintenance. Little patch in the door there. Pretty straightforward room. A couple stains in the carpet may come out. Nice wide hallway and a loft area. Okay.